Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video I am going to discuss with you a question, and the question is that ma'am, how to start speaking in English? So this is a very common question asked by every English learner who wants to be fluent in English. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to discuss with you how to start speak English. So but before getting into the video, I want to ask you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get into the topic. Okay, so the topic is that how to start speaking in English. Okay, if you have a desire to learn this language, so you have to know some knowledge about this language. Okay, so every language has, have four aspect like LSRW: L for listening, S for speaking, R for reading, and W for writing. Okay, so what is your problem? Your problem is speaking. Okay, so for this speaking you need to create a ways for yourself. Okay, you need to create a ways for yourself. Once you will create a ways for yourself, then you can easily make a big building like English speaking building, on which I mean to say foundation. Once you need to create a ways. Now the question is that how to create a ways of English speaking journey. Okay, so the your foundation is your listening. Okay, so for this, for learn this language, you need to listen every day. Every day minimum 15 minutes you need to listen English. So this is the foundation. Start your listening habit. Okay, listen whatever you want. Listen any content, any audio or video. Okay, and start your journey with your interest. Okay, listen those content which you are interested in. Okay, but what you need to do to listen aspect, first thing is that you need to choose the audio or video according to your interest. Second thing is that listen same content minimum 5 times. Okay, not different one. Listen same content minimum 5 times. Okay, till it becomes a part of your memory. Okay, we have a head top, not desktop, not laptop, but we have a head top, and there is unlimited GB, unlimited space. Once you listen any content and till it becomes a part of your memory, listen 5 or 10 times till it becomes a part of your memory, and save it, okay, in your head, and give the name that file like English speaking, English listening file. Okay, you can give the name English listening file first. Okay, and so this is the first thing. So listening, what you need to do, choose the content which you are interested in. Listen the same content minimum 5 times till it becomes a part of your memory. Third thing is that save it. Okay, and fourth thing is that listen the audio or video that is correct, because correctness is very important. Okay, so there are four rules that you need to follow while listening any content, any audio or video. Okay, now let's talk about another foundation. So the another foundation is reading. You need to follow same rules that you have followed while listening any audio or video. So you need to follow same rules in order to reading. Okay, so once you read, you need to take any passage and any book. Make sure to take a book that is low in standard class, I mean to say low standard class book, English book, because their English is very easy and understandable, you can easily understand. So you need to choose low standard English book, I mean to say first, second, third, fourth class English book, that is enough for you. Okay, but after taking up passage, so you need to read the same passage minimum 5 times, not different one, and read the same passage till it becomes a part of your memory. And once you save that passage in your head, okay, take the name, put the name, okay, English reading file. Okay, so do this practice, listening and reading practice minimum 6 months. It's not a 1 day 2 day challenge, it's not a 1 month 2 month challenge, it's a long journey. English learning, English speaking skills, if you are learning this skill, so you need to give some time, it's a long journey. Okay, minimum 6 months you need to create a base for yourself, I mean to say foundation, and the foundation is listening and reading. Okay, once you create a foundation for yourself, then what you need to do, you need to create a big building. Now, how is it possible to create a big building? Because we are learner, we are beginner, so you can easily create a big building by practicing, because you have absorbed a lot of English by listening or by reading. Now it's time to speaking, now it's time to give output. Now till the 6 month you are absorbing, you are getting input, but it's time to give output. Once you master to once you master in to make a balance between input and output. Input means listening and reading, and output means speaking and writing. You need to create some creativity. Once you listen, then start to speak out in your own words. Okay, and start to speak out loud, not slow. Okay, okay, for this you don't need to go directly on public, you need to speak with yourself. If you have any friend, then good, that's very good. And if you have no one, don't worry, you are your best friend. Your mobile phone is your best friend, because your true friend might run away, but your mobile phone will not run away. Okay, you can use this mobile according to your time, according to your situation. Okay, now for this speaking and writing, what you need to do, you need to take the same process, I mean to say you listen same audio or video minimum 5 times till it becomes a part of your memory. Then start to same principle, follow the same principle in order to speaking. Okay, speak one audio, okay, and or video, audio or video, till it becomes a part of your memory. Speak minimum 5 times till it becomes a part of your memory, because repetition is the must. Okay, okay, once you do puja and someone give you any mantra like guru mantra, so you generally chanting that mantra minimum 108 times every day. So you have to do the same process in learning this language. Okay, repetition is very important, so you must do practice each and every day, not once in a week, not once in a month. It's not, because unless you practice you cannot speak, so you need to practice, okay, each and every day on your regular basis. Okay, so speaking, now the point is that ma'am, how to do speaking practice. Okay, for this I have made different many videos, and how to make practice in is how to start practice of speaking. Okay, so for this you need to follow mirror technique. Okay, if I am talking to you in front of this mobile, so this is also a mirror technique. You need to, okay, stand in front of the mirror and choose any topic, any audio or video that you have spoken already. Okay, and start to speak out loud. And that time, whenever you start your speaking terms, you need to create, you need to record your activity. Once you finished, okay, once you finished with speaking, you need to watch your audio or video. Where are you good, where are you wrong, where you do many mistakes, so you can easily find out your mistakes. So start this practice mirror technique. It's a wonderful technique. Now let's talk about another technique. So shadowing, it's a wonderful technique. For this, what you need to do, you need to also take any audio or video, and the audio video should be according to your choice. And audio video should be minimum 5 minutes, not more than. Okay, start audio video. Once one sentence finished, then pause it and start to imitate that sentence that you have heard before. Okay, after that, again play audio video and listen it very carefully. Just pause audio video and start to imitate that sentence that you have heard before. Once you finished, okay, your work, then start to create some question in English, some WH question in English. And you are the one who is going to create some question, and you are the second who is going to give the answer. Once you do practice, then believe me, your problem that ma'am, I have no one with whom I can practice, will be removing. Because for conversation, what we need generally, we need to how to create some question in English and how to give answer in English. Once you master in creating a question and giving answer in English, you can easily do conversation with someone. So do start with this practice. Start practice. Okay, because practice makes you perfect. Okay, no one can make you perfect, only you can make yourself perfect. So start practice each and every day. English speaking practice, listening practice, reading practice, and then writing practice. Whatever in your mind, you need to create some question in English, you need to create some ideas, some thoughts in English. Once you are master in LSRW, listening, reading, writing, and speaking, you can easily do conversation with anyone. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, just see around.